back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box if you want to get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the huge cruise line Carnival Cruises. They are hiring a virtual guest care support agent. This is remote for my United States folks only. Now, this is going to be a customer service job, although it has some phone and some non-phone components to it. We are going to dive all into it. Just one thing to real quickly say, they do offer some great benefits, including complimentary, meaning free standby cruises, and then discounts on regularly scheduled cruises. They are looking for a guest care agent to communicate and respond via written correspondence and inbound, outbound contact on the phone to guest post-cruise concerns related to general post-cruise inquiries, shipboard complaints, weddings, Jones Act, travel services, all of the things, lost luggage. So you are actually going to be corresponding with people who have already taken a cruise, and then they need help after their cruise. They had something happen that they want to report. They lost their luggage, all of those things. You'll be researching and servicing all incoming inquiries via email and phone related to the shipboard experience. You'll sell and sign inquiries and disputes, complaints, weddings, all of that, weddings that happened on the cruise, if they have paperwork they need to get. You'll also be participating in the communication training programs and helping establishing networks with other departments. You'll handle the incoming calls from the Guest Care 800 number as needed, so it's not completely on the phone all the time. And you'll create iCare files and accurately document guest contact, the issue type, detailed information. You'll make sure that you keep reportings and cases in writing on all of your contacts. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma. They do want somebody who has some call center or correspondence related skill set, like some kind of customer service, someone who is proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, all of those Microsoft things, someone who is a self-starter and highly motivated. Now, you do need to be willing to work some Saturday shifts when there is a business need. Pay for this position is $17 an hour. Of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, all of those things. But they also offer additional benefits, which makes this a great place to work, including complimentary standby cruises, and then you get discounts on regularly confirmed cruises. You get special rates for friends and family as well. They also offer tuition reimbursement and learning development resources. All right, I try to mix up this channel with some customer service jobs, some non-phone jobs, some healthcare jobs, some data entry jobs, trying to find a little bit of something for everyone. But of course, as always, if you're looking for something specific, leave that in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.